India deserve this World Cup trophy. They played brilliantly. They deserve every single moment of lifting that Cricket World Cup trophy in Narendra Modi Stadium because they've been playing exceptionally well. They defended 229 against the defending champion. It's been an all-round performance from Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah, Virat Kohli, every single player in the Indian team. They're impossible to beat in this tournament. Even if you play your 100%, you just can't beat them. Like they're just too strong. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Ravindra Jadeja, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami. They, if you look at the playing 11, you'll get shivers straight away. Or we're not playing India. They've shown that today. India's batting just didn't turn up today, but their bowling really turned up. India knew that their hosts home advantage, so everything for them is going to go right, and this has happened. So for India, the star performer was Rohit Sharma. He scored 86, possible I think. He was 14 shy of 100, but he's played really well. That's a really good knock, and he's put his team into a really good position to win this World Cup. Him as captain is the is the proudest moment India can do. So that's India have been spectacular. England, however, their falters continue. They've been really bad throughout the tournament. Nothing's going right for them. Like their batting has been disgraceful. Like they're just not turning up at all. Really, like even in the previous game against Sri Lanka, they got only about 156. So how are they gonna play Indian bowlers? They got off to a really quick start, 30 for 0 in like 5 overs. However, after that was just out, 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 out. This is not the England team we normally see, to be honest with you. Like, this is like England are much better side than this. I expect them to win like one more game in this tournament, and that's just against the Netherlands. So they should easily beat the Netherlands. I have no doubt about that, even though they're in their worst form. But don't take anything away from India. They've been spectacular, and they deserve this World Cup. They've worked really hard over the past few years, and there's no doubt that they will get into the final. And hopefully, England do win one more match to end their campaign on a high. But England, we need to see the real England back. Like, this is not the real England team. England need to stand up, and they need to just try to win matches. Joss Butler needs to stand up as captain and needs to think about okay how to move this team forward. So I hope you enjoyed my review, and the next game is going to be about Sri Lanka and Afghanistan. So they need to watch that game closely and see how Afghanistan play, because Afghanistan are really impressive in this tournament. Afghanistan are a role model to every single team in this tournament on how to chase scores. So I hope you enjoyed my review, and see you soon.